Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we will learn how to make a bootable USD in Windows 11. Alright, so to do that we need to click on the search bar and then type in CMD. Once you have that, you wanna run it as administrator. Alright, so once you are in here, you need to type in desk path altogether. Okay, so now we are in desk path mode. Now we want to type list desk. Alright, so here you can see that I have two desks right now. One is desk 0 and then the other one is desk 1. Desk 1 is my USB drive, which is 28 gigabytes. Actually it's 32 gigabytes, but it shows 28 gigabytes. Anyways, so now what we need to do is we need to select this USB disk, which is disk 1. So we type select disk 1 and hit enter. Now as you can see, disk 1 is now the selected disk. What we need to do is we need to type clean to clean all the data from this USB drive. Okay, so disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. So the next thing is we need to create a partition where we will be able to put our bootable Windows files into this USB, and then if you want to install any window from the USB drive, you can do that. So to do that, to create a partition, we need to write create partition primary and hit enter. So disk part succeeded in creating the specific partitions. So now we need to type in another command for that to create a partition, to what type of partitions we want. For that you need to type this one, format space fs equal to fat32 quick. So after that, enter. Now it's gonna take a couple of seconds to create that partitions, and then disk part successfully formatted the volume. So once you have that, you need to make sure this is active. So we write active, and then disk part mark the current partition as active. After that, you are all done. You need to click exit, and that's it. Now you can close down the command prompt. Alright, so now in here I have the bootable files for the Windows. What I need to do is I need to copy them and then go to my USB drive and then paste them in here. Alright, so once I paste these files into my USB, I can take this USB and then I can install Windows from this USB drive into any of the computers that I want to. So I hope this video was helpful. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know how it goes with you. And if you have any questions, put it down in the description, put it down in the comment box, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you.